Big news for Samsung Galaxy S24 users in India. Exciting updates are on the horizon. Samsung is preparing to launch the One User Interface 7.0 beta program in India this week. This rollout is generating a lot of anticipation as users eagerly await the opportunity to explore the latest features and enhancements that Samsung has been working on. While the beta has already been available in a few select countries, Indian users can finally look forward to joining the testing phase in just a few days. The excitement is palpable, and for good reason. This beta promises to bring a host of innovative updates. For the past week, Galaxy S24 users in regions like the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, and South Korea have been testing the first beta version of One User Interface 7.0. The initial feedback from participants has been overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its smooth performance and minimal bugs. This level of stability reflects Samsung's dedication to ensuring a refined experience for its users. Unlike some companies that rush beta releases, Samsung has taken a careful and deliberate approach, investing time and effort to polish its software before unveiling it to the public. The upcoming expansion to India represents a significant milestone in the program. According to Samsung's customer support team, users in India will be able to register for the beta program starting December 12. This information emerged from a recent exchange with a tech enthusiast via WhatsApp, underscoring how close we are to the official rollout. To participate, users should keep an eye on the Samsung Members application, which will send a notification once registration opens. This is an opportunity for Indian Galaxy S24 owners to explore the latest features early and provide feedback that could shape the final release. Adding to the excitement, there is speculation that this rollout in India could coincide with the launch of a second beta build for One User Interface 7.0. If this happens, it could mean a smoother experience for new testers, as improvements from the initial feedback would likely be implemented. While India is the immediate focus, Poland and possibly China are expected to follow closely, with access potentially starting on the same day. This synchronized expansion highlights Samsung's commitment to bringing its innovations to a global audience in a well-coordinated manner. Testing new software can be an exhilarating experience for technology enthusiasts. Being among the first to explore new features and providing feedback that could influence future updates is a unique opportunity. However, it is essential to remember that beta versions are not always flawless. While the first build has been praised for its stability, there may still be occasional glitches or unfinished features. For anyone planning to participate, it is wise to back up all important data before diving in to ensure that no valuable information is lost. Globally, the rollout of the One User Interface 7.0 beta program has been methodical and well-received. Samsung's strategy of gradually expanding availability ensures that the testing process is smooth and effective. Early adopters in regions like the United States and South Korea have already provided valuable insights, and as more users from India, Poland, and China join the program, the feedback loop will only grow stronger. This collaborative effort between users and developers is crucial for refining the final product. With this beta program, Samsung continues to demonstrate its dedication to enhancing user experience. By prioritizing quality and engaging its community, the company is solidifying its reputation as a leader in innovation. For Galaxy S24 users in India, this is an exciting time to witness and be part of cutting-edge technological advancements. As the beta rolls out, participants will get a first-hand look at the features that Samsung has designed to elevate the user interface experience. The journey of exploring new software is always filled with surprises and discoveries. While challenges may arise, the benefits of being part of a global testing initiative far outweigh the risks. Samsung's careful planning and commitment to quality provide a strong foundation for a successful beta program. As the notifications begin to appear on devices, it marks the start of an exciting chapter for Galaxy S24 users in India and beyond. This is your chance to be at the forefront of innovation and play a role in shaping the future of smartphone technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.